Hi friends, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Welcome back, and welcome if you're new to the channel. I appreciate you all being here today. I have something really exciting to share with you. One of my favorite channels to watch is to watch Possum Patty over at her channel, which is called Just Journaling with Possum Patty. And I was watching one day, and she is gifted a lot of products from different companies for her to review, and she had received a couple cross-stitch kits. So she was giving some away, and I got one. So I was so excited. I received this in the mail. I got it Saturday. I'm not sure. It might have been there Friday, but I went to my mailbox, and there was the greatest package there. And she had it all decorated. I took it apart because I wanted to save everything. She had it taped up, but also it was in the taping was this cool washi, and she had these fun little cards taped to the package. So of course I wanted to save everything. But when I got it open, here is this cute cross-stitch kit. So it's even cuter than I remembered from when she shared it. It looks like pumpkins down here, which I didn't realize it was a fall one. And then, are these persimmons? I don't know, but I love it. It's so cute. I've done a little bit of cross stitch, but not a big kit like this. So I'm really excited. And it says that it comes with everything you need. It has the fabric and the thread, the needle, and luckily the instructions. So this will be a really fun project to work on. And then one of my favorite parts was these tags that she included. So I'm sure she made these. They're just wonderful. And there's 3 of them. I'm wondering if these 2 came from maybe a masterboard, but they are so cool. And then this last one had a message. So I love my message and how she dated it. This will definitely go in my book that I'm saving all my fun little happy mail from friends. So I'm so excited. Those will definitely go in that book. Well, wish me luck. I'm excited. I don't know that I'll be starting it real soon, but as soon as I'm able, and then I'll give you some progress updates on how I'm doing. But thank you so much, Patty. And if you haven't been to Possum Patty's channel, which I'm sure most of you have, but if you haven't, you need to get on over there. She is just a blast. I love watching her videos. They're just so fun. You go on field trips sometimes. You journal with her at times. She makes all kinds of fun little art projects. She gardens. It's just she's a blast. She's very whimsical. She has all of her fairies and gnomes and just all kinds of wonderful things she has on her desk and shares with you. So I highly recommend, if you haven't met Possum Patty yet, that you go over and introduce yourself and watch all her wonderful videos. She's a very talented artist as well. So and I think she's a retired school teacher, just like me. So that's really fun. Anyway, friends, I was so excited to share this with you, and thank you so much for coming by and watching this and checking out my new cross-stitch kit with me, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.